Uh, I wanted to show you something really weird that my cat does, and I want you to post or comment or whatever, and let me know if your cat does this too. Okay. Hi, Leo. Hang on, I can't reach his nose yet. If I rub it long enough, he starts to open his mouth. Leo. Camera shot. There we go. Come on. And then he yawns! He always does that. Like, he'll either open his mouth really wide if he doesn't have to yawn, or he'll yawn when I do it. Look, he's gonna do it again. See? Again! You yawn! Can anyone tell me why cats do that? Is it just my cat, or just... I don't know. It's so weird, though. Silly kitty. Silly kitty. You silly. One more time. No, I don't think he's gonna do it that time. Gonna do it again? I was like, stop messing with my face. Yeah, let me know if you know why he does that, or if your cat does it, let me know. I want to see this. Where are you going? Where are you going? I guess that's it. Bye.